Hello, sziasztok, ismét Daciem vagyok, és ez itt a Life is Strange nevű játék. Na, mivel én most tettem egy kis előnéztet, akkor itt most epizód 1. Pontosan. Na, a játék az nagyon hasonlít maga a Walking Dead logikájához is, hogy a döntéseid írják meg azt, hogy a játékban, vagyis nekem az ilyen tetszik. Na, 5 epizód van, mindegyiket kivisszük, mert van a játék. Igen, a játékról még egy játékról még nem néztem videót, nem is játszottam. Volume 5, igen, ő adta nekem, hogy próbáljam későn, mondtam, hogy lesz a videó is. És akkor miért is ne, persze. Itt ez a főszereplőnk, Maxnek hívják. De ez most a fejében mondta, ugye ezt így... Igen.
How did I get here? And where is here? Wait, there's the lighthouse. I'll be safe if I can make it there. I hope. Please let me make it there.
Játék a szép Lighthouse, erre van. És ez a sprint, vagy most nem bír sprintelni, csak sietsz. Szépen nem bír sprintelni. Az mi, jó. Az mi már? Úristen. Mekkora vihar van itt.
Holy shit.
Jesszusom. Veszélyes azért. Ő van az a városod? Van, ott épült egy ház.
Whoa. That was so surreal.
Famously called film Little Pieces of Time. But he could be talking about photography, as he likely was.
Okay, I'm in class. Everything's cool. I'm okay.
From light to shadow. From color to chiaroscuro. Now, can you give me an example of a photographer who perfectly captured the human condition in
I
black and
didn't
white?
fall asleep, and that sure didn't feel like a dream.
Bueller?
Weird.
Diane Arbus.
There you go, Victoria.
Ó, de van
Why
egy
Arbus?
irányítás.
Because of her images of hopeless faces, you feel like totally haunted by the eyes of those sad mothers and children.
She saw humanity as tortured, right? And frankly, it's bullshit. Shh, 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 shh. Keep that to yourself. Seriously, though, I could frame any
Férfi
one of
hang
you in a
volt,
dark
onnan
corner
jött valahonnan.
and capture you in a
Yes.
moment of desperation. And any one of you could do that to me.
Ó, hogy
Look at
így.
this crap. How can I show this to Mr. Jefferson?
Hát rendesen.
I can hear the class laughing at me now.
Ó, mennyi már.
Isn't that too...
Maxit.
What if Arbus chose to capture people at the height
Look.
of their
My little
beauty
camera
and
bag is
innocence?
battered, but still kicking.
She had a brilliant eye. So, she could have taken another approach.
Stoltartó.
I can't believe I still have this pencil
I'm not a big
case.
fan of
I
her
should
work.
upgrade to the 21st century.
Jó
But
ez.
I like
Ó,
it old school.
ez igaz, Elfi.
Victoria. He captured the essence of post-war beat America. And it was on it. I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift. Of course, as you all know, the photo portrait has been popular since the early 1800s. Your generation was not the first to use images for selfie expression. Sorry, I couldn't resist. The point remains that the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for as long as it's been around. Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and
Szinte
clearly want to
éreztem.
join the conversation, can you please Tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits.
First. You're asking me? No. I didn't know.
I did know, but I kind of forgot.
You either know this or not, Max. Is there anybody here who knows their stuff?
Louis Daguerre was a French painter who created daguerreotypes, a
Anyád.
process that gave portraits a sharp reflective
Kap
style
be,
like a
hát
mirror.
jó van, na, hát
Now
nem
you're
kockultam.
totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Na,
Very good,
pofázzál
Victoria.
csak.
The Daguerrean process
Ne röhögj, oda
brought out
megyek.
fine detail in people's faces, making them extremely popular from the 1800s onward. The first American
Sorry,
daguerreotype
Max. No more
self-portrait was
selfies
done
right
by
now.
Robert Cornelius
Menj már.
Sorry, Max. No more selfies right now.
in your textbook, or even online. And guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So
felejtem el,
Stella
nyugodj.
and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Na, húzzunk haza. Hogy valamerre menjünk.
I should have known. She'll have better equipment than Blackwell.
Ez szar.
Even if you're submitting your photo for the competition,
Oh.
everybody in class is turning in a photo. So, you see the dilemma?
I know, Mr. Jefferson. I just worked
És
so
ez volt a
hard
izénél.
and I'm sure you know what it's like
Mondjad
to be
már.
this.
Itt igen. Jó, és ezeket le kell fényképezni majd? Szépen lassan az összest. Az mi? Az mi? Hát ez a repülőgép, hű, ez durva. De nem baj, menjünk.
I just really think everyday
Kate,
is
Ed,
important.
ja, láttam, megdobtak.
Oh,
I want to represent
hi, Max.
Ő milyen szemedve.
You have just by participating. By putting yourself out there.
You seem quiet today.
Just thinking too much.
This is just a bump on a bigger road. I don't want anybody
I think
to feel
Victoria has
sorry.
already won the contest,
I also
as
want everybody to
usual.
know that this
She's got nothing on you, Max.
for everybody.
Well, I should get going.
Yeah, me too. Talk to you later.
Sure.
share whatever
Akkor... Pocsitunk a tanárnak, nem szabad. Na menjünk, ha eddig mindjárt visszahív minket, hogy menjünk vissza.
I see you, Max Caulfield. Don't even think about leaving here until we talk about your entry.
Szinte éreztem, hol...
I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
Jaj, nem szépen. I didn't have any time.
I didn't have any time. Way too much homework.
Max, you're a better photographer than a liar. Now, I know it's a drag to hear some old dude lecture you, but life won't wait for you to play catch up. You're young, the world is yours, blah, 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 right? But you do have a gift. You have the fever to take images, to frame the world only the way you envision it. Now, all you need is the courage to share your gift with others. And that's what separates the artist from the amateur.
Oké, most már engedsz, bazd meg.
You didn't tell me how cute I looked yet.
I was about to.
I'm not paying 100.
You always
Welcome to the real world.
Cute?
hot.
Then I might send you a special picture.
Ilyetünk akkor.
everybody to see how hip she is. She plays it so shy.
I need a serious timeout in the bathroom. Splash water on my face and make sure I don't look like a total loser.
Az lehet. Square Elix. Mit csinálsz most?
She's so fucking shy.
Na, az jó, jó zene. Jó a zene.
To all of you American girls, it's sad to imagine a world without you. American girls, I'd like to be part of the world around you. Driving a car by the seaside, watching the world from the bright side. To all of you,
It's just one stupid picture, not your soul.
no one can tell where your heart is. American girls like dollies, with shiny smiles and plastic bodies. I wish I had.
Empty, good. Nobody can see my meltdown, except for me.
És akkor... Na,
Just relax. Stop torturing yourself. You have a gift.
A gift.
Fuck it.
Most miért téttem szét? De...
When a door closes, a window opens. Or something like that.
De most ez a pillangó mit keres?
Okay, girl, you don't get a photo op like this every day.
Fényképezzük le. Ez mit keres itt?
It's cool, Nathan. Don't stress. You're okay, bro. Just count to 3. Don't be scared. You own this school. If I wanted, I could blow it up. You're the boss. So what do you want?
I hope you check the perimeter, as my step-ass would say. Now, let's talk business.
I got nothing for you.
Wrong. You got hella cash.
That's my family, not me.
Oh, boo-hoo, poor little rich kid. I know you've been pumping drugs and shit to kids around here. I bet your respectable family would help me out if I went to them. Man, I can see the headlines now.
Leave them out of this bitch!
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk-ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing? Come on, put that thing down!
Don't ever tell me what to do. I'm so sick of people trying to control me!
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho! No!
Az bazd meg. Mi ez a slow-mo?
Whoa. What the fuck?
Nick.
How can that be? I was in the bathroom. He shot that poor girl. I held up my hand. And then I was back here.
As he likely was. These pieces of time can frame us in
I already heard this lecture.
from light to shadow.
Hogy sikerült
Now
mit csinálni?
Kate is being hassled again. And if Victoria's phone rings, this is real.
Now, can you give me an example of a
Man, I
photographer
cannot believe
who
this.
captured the human condition in black and white?
Okay, if I'm crazy, I might as well go all the way.
Bueller?
Diane.
Can I actually reverse time?
Go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her images.
De...
I did it.
Now, can you give me
I
an
actually
example
did
of a
it.
photographer
that's
who perfectly
not
captured
I'm a
the human
human
condition in
time
black
machine.
and white? Anybody?
Max, don't freak out. Not yet.
Anybody?
Keep it together, Max.
Diane Arbus.
Csináltam
There
egy
you go,
selfie-t.
Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her images of
When I took my
hopeless
selfie, Jefferson asked me a question.
Igen.
If he does again,
I
I'll
believe
know
Max
this is
has
for
taken
real.
what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift.
I know I'm not
Of
dreaming
course,
this.
as you all know, the
It's
photo
real.
portrait has been popular
I can
since
tell.
the early 1800s. Your generation
So I
was
can
the
go
first
back
to
in
use
time.
images for selfie expression.
What if that girl isn't dead
I
yet?
couldn't resist. The point
Can I
remains
save
that
her?
the portraiture
Tényleg,
has
nem
always
lehet
been a
menteni.
vital aspect of art and photography for
I
as
need to go to the
long
bathroom
as it's
quickly
been
and
around.
check it out.
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
Hát, inkább ez.
I'm sorry, but I really have to use the bathroom.
Nice try, Max. But you're not going to get away that easy. We can talk more after class.
Nem jó.
Is there anybody here
Shit.
who knows their stuff?
Jefferson wants to keep me after
Louis Daguerre was
class.
a French painter. Process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now
Ezt
you're
kéne...
totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Very good, Victoria.
What if I rewind again
Hungarian process
and give him the right answer?
brought out fine detail in people's fate. Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave
Elmondom,
birth to the
amit
first
mondott Victoria.
self-portraits?
Persze, de... izé.
The Daguerrean process, invented by a French painter named Louis Daguerre around 1830.
Somebody has been reading as well as posing. Nice work, Max.
Kösz.
The Daguerrean process made portraiture
Nothing.
hugely popular,
Ehhez
mainly
it sucks.
because it gave the subjects
It sucks.
clear, defined features. You can learn more when you actually finish reading the assigned chapters. Max is so far way ahead of everyone. And guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Max, you are not crazy. You are not dreaming.
Ez igaz, Júliu,
It's time to be an everyday hero.
Na, menjünk akkor.
I see you, Max Caulfield. Don't even think about leaving here until we talk about your entry.
Ah,
I...
Yeah, I'm not sure I have one.
Given your selfie output, I'm
Nincs is.
sure you must have about 1,000 pics by now.
It'll take a long time to find a good one.
Max, don't wait too long. John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans. Go on now. Don't let me stop you.
ezt mondjad
Excuse
meg.
me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
No, Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's futures...
I'm on top of it. I think John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans.
Max, you're on fire today. All the right answers. Good. Make sure you finish working on it by today. I have faith in you.
Tőled, mert az ütetet. És akkor most el lehetne menni, nem?
I hope I have enough time to get to the bathroom. Please, please. I can't tell anybody. They'll think I'm crazy.
Na, szóval akkor mentsük meg.
You know I don't tease.
Yes, man.
What's that got to do with anything?
Because if you send me a picture, I won't be bored.
Na, menjünk be. De betöltem.
Okay, Max, retrace every step. I washed my face. I shredded my photo. Then the butterfly flew in. And I took a photo.
Leave them out of this, bitch!
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing? Come on, put that thing
Ever
down!
Tell me what to do. I'm so
I need a
sick
hammer to break it
of
open.
trying to control me!
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
Holy shit, I can't let this happen.
More
If I
trouble
can
for
reverse
this
time
than
again,
drugs.
I can help her.
Ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
No, he has a gun. I should do something else.
No. No,
I'm too scared to get near this psycho. Shit! I need to rewind and do something fast.
Don't ever tell me what to do.
No.
I'm so sick of people trying to control me. No way.
Don't ever touch me again, freak!
Na, oké. Csak egy ide szólt akarok mondani hozzá.
Another shitty day.
Van ez így, haver?
That did not happen. This cannot be real. I just saw a girl get shot and then saved her. What the fuck is going on? Do not freak out.
Hey, do you hear that fire alarm? That means you should be outside.
I had to
A
use the
WC
bathroom.
voltam.
Girls always use that excuse.
Excuse for what?
For whatever you're up to, your face is covered in guilt.
The alarm tripped me out.
Then trip on out of here, Missy. Or are you hiding something? Huh?
Thank you, Mr. Madsen. The situation is under control. There's no emergency here. Leave Miss Caulfield alone, and please turn off that alarm since that's your job.
Szia, menjél.
You look a little stressed out. Are you okay?
I'm just a little worried about my
Grumpy.
future.
You're sweating pinballs. Is that all you're thinking about? You can always be upfront with me, Max. Or have you done something wrong? Is that it? Well, Max, talk to me.
Ó, na. Elmondom.
I just saw Nathan Prescott waving a gun around in the girls' room.
Nathan Prescott. You sure?
Yes, he was in the bathroom talking to himself with a gun. I saw everything. He was babbling like crazy.
Okay, slow down. Slow down. So now you saw this without him seeing you.
I was hiding behind a stall. I have the right to be there. It's the girls' room.
I know. I just want to be completely clear what happened. Mr. Prescott happens to be from the town's most distinguished family, and one of Blackwell's most honored students. So it's hard for me to see him brandishing a weapon in the girls' bathroom. So what happened next?
Then he left. I ran out here wondering what to do. Are you gonna bust him?
This is a serious charge. I'll look into the matter personally. Thank you for bringing it to my attention.
Csak úgy elmondtam neked.
That's it? After what I told
We'll
you?
continue this discussion later in my office. Please go outside with the rest of your class now, Miss Caulfield.
Of course this academic drone won't do anything since the president...
Na hát akkor kijöttünk. Blackwell Academy.
Would Nathan Prescott please come to the front office? Thank you.
Na,
Rachel Amber. She looks so hopeful and pretty. I wonder what happened to her.
Eltűnt 19 éves. Ez Pokémon gózik.
Okay, I better get to my dorm and grab that flash drive.
Ó, igen, na akkor... Mindenki nyissam. Mindenki lesz kinyissam. Az a neten, David, Principal, az a izé, jó. Ho-ho. Monday. Lol. Akkor menjünk valamerre. Erre kell menni.
I need to go there and grab Warren's flash drive.
Hát akkor menjünk oda.
Come on, Logan, bring it, bro.
Szóval van ilyen bent akarsz. Yeah! Jó tudni.
I need to go to my room and return Warren's flash drive.
Oh. Hi, Max.
How are you doing?
Fantastic. I'm by myself reading Chicklet. Pretty soon I'll be bonding with Victoria at the Vortex Club.
I think you're better off reading Chicklet.
Good point. Now if you'll excuse me.
Na, Isten, ezek a kurvák meg itt vannak. Beengedsz, ez
Oh look,
szép
it's Max Caulfield, the selfie hoe of Blackwell. What a lame gimmick. Even Mark, Mr. Jefferson, falls for your wave hipster bullshit. The Daguerrean process, sir. You could barely even say that. I guess you got your meds filled.
Nem, milyen nevetésed van, Jézus Mária.
Since you know all the answers, I guess you have to find another way into the dorm. We ain't moving.
Igen.
Oh wait,
Oh.
hold that pose. So original. Don't worry, Max. I'll put a vintage filter on it right before I post it all over social medias. Now, why don't you go fuck your selfie?
Oh yes, Victoria. I'll get your bony ass out of my way. I don't want to mess with that ladder and hurt poor Samuel. I just want to get Victoria the hell out of the way.
Fiszko bekapcsolta a izéket, nem? Itt a...
Nice, bro.
Oh.
What the hell? Are you kidding? Look at this! Chill, Victoria. It's just water. Yeah, water on my cashmere. Do you know how much this fucking outfit costs?
You look great.
I can't even chill on the steps.
Sweet.
No. Do you understand English? Get lost. Keep walking, hippie.
Lesz valami.
Sorry, no paparazzi allowed.
Menjünk vissza. És menjünk még vissza. Még vissza. Teljesen vissza. A Bugattet megizéljük, hogy onnan essen majd nem.
Okay, let's see if this works.
És akkor azok ott kéne álljanak, gondolom, mert úgy esik le a Bugatti, és akkor...
What the hell? Are you kidding? Look at this! Chill, Victoria. It's just water. Yeah, water on my cashmere. Do you know how much this fucking outfit costs?
You look great.
I can't even chill on the steps.
Igen, ez helyes volt, igen, ez már ilyen bejátszásfilm.
No way! No fucking
You
way!
okay, Victoria?
Yay!
Sorry. Wet paint is not good for hair, nope. Sorry.
Get the hell away from me, weirdo!
Hold on. We'll get some towels. We'll be right back.
So move your ass before I dry.
It worked. Don't mess with Max, bitches.
Hey, Victoria.
What do you want, Max?
Még fan a comfort, mi nem vagyok olyan rosszak, mint
I
Victoria.
am sorry. That's an awesome cashmere coat.
It was. But there'll be another.
Well, you always seem to know how to pick the right outfits.
I do have some talent. Mr. Jefferson told me.
I've seen your pictures. You have a great eye. Richard Avedon-esque.
He's one of my heroes. Thanks, Max. I hope those sluts get me a towel before they hang a sign on me. You deserve a better shot. Sorry about blocking you and the go fuck your selfie.
That was mean, but pretty funny.
Just one of those days, you know?
I know exactly what you mean, Victoria. I'll see you later.
Au revoir.
Okay.
Victoria probably played me. I should have...
Igen, na. Szóval ennek a résznek itt lesz vége. Na hát akkor remélem tetszett a videó, és megnézzük, hogy mi lesz a következő részben, hogy visszavisszük Warrennek a flash drive-ot. Na hát akkor komment a vélemény, és iratkozzatok fel többfajta videókért. Na, DacMC voltam. Sziasztok!